DIY, the gift that keeps on giving this Christmas to your friends or corporate colleagues. You'll need a good quality frankincense essential oil. Katerii, Feriana or Serrata are good ones. You want to get the rosehip, the black seed oil and the castor oil. Castor oil penetrates the skin more than any other oil. Castor oil is fairly affordable. When you buy all your oils, make sure they're certified organic. As soon as you can, place an order online for 10 milliliter glass amber roll-on bottles. And if you want to keep things simple, just make a beautiful roll-on bottle of castor oil. It's all you need. It's the perfect gift. This next blend uses castor oil, black seed and rosehip oil. This blend will feed your skin. The active ingredients in black seed oil can protect the skin from free radical damage and oxidative stress, keeping you from premature aging. This mix is half castor oil, half black seed oil and a whole dropper of beautiful rosehip oil. This one will help to balance oil production, and the rosehip oil contains A, E and C. Finally, this castor oil and frankincense blend will remove under eye bags and tighten pores. Simply add about a whole vial of castor oil. It's a great carrier oil for the frankincense. The frankincense is very powerful, so simply just add 5 drops of frankincense. Frankincense helps promote the generation of healthy skin cells, reducing the appearance of scars and blemishes. It is super anti-inflammatory and helps to tighten and tone your skin, and it can reduce the appearance of pores. Now you want to label your little amber bottles, so just grab some labels. I found these cute Christmas labels, and it has a nice neutral background which I'll be able to write on. So have a look how it looks like that. And here's one where I added the ingredients. So you've got castor oil, black seed oil, rosehip, and I've put it on there nice and clear. Castor oil is highly emollient. It penetrates the skin deeper than any other oil and provides intense hydration. It's so convenient in the travel bottle. Your friends and family are absolutely going to love it. 3 wise castor oils that will keep on giving this Christmas. Let's get it.